And also, you don't want to say, when you have a proper, what we call a proper noun or a name of something, like a name of a city or name of a university, or something like that, you would not use the. So I came to Seoul. I visited John today. He goes to Dongguk. These are, I wouldn't say the. So be careful of that. We don't want to use the in that case. All right, so those are exceptions, right? All right, and then over here, but as I say, usually a singular a noun will take an article or a possessive pronoun. So, like I am teacher, I am a teacher. I am teacher would sound wrong. Please give me pen. Please give me my pen or a pen. Right? So something must go before pen there. And okay. And then I took taxi to work. I took a taxi to work. Okay, a taxi to work. As I said before, the taxi was fast, talking about a special taxi, the taxi I took. So we're not, the moment I get into the taxi, it becomes a special taxi. Okay, I went to see sister yesterday. We met at a restaurant. What's wrong? Restaurant was crowded. What's wrong with that? I went to see my sister yesterday. Okay, we met at restaurant. We met at a restaurant. Okay, because maybe the many restaurants. Again, if I'm in a small village, maybe, and there's only one restaurant, we met at the restaurant because everyone knows what restaurant we're talking about. All right. And restaurant was crowded. We say the restaurant again because we're talking about a special restaurant, the one we went to. Okay, the restaurant was crowded. And Seoul is a wonderful place. So Seoul is wonderful, a wonderful place. In this case, place is a noun, a wonderful place. And because if there's an adjective, we will put the article before or the adjective. So, for example, he took my expensive pen from me. He took my expensive pen. So expensive before pen, my. Or he bought an expensive. Remember I said an before the S sound. An expensive pen. He bought an expensive pen yesterday. An expensive pen. And coming before the adjective. Okay, so that's about it for that. So that's just so, as I said before, if you can get those right, if you can understand that, that becomes a huge sort of extra boost to the way you sound when you speak English. It makes it really sound nice when you add these things, which are, as I said, they're special to English. Many cases they don't add to the meaning. I can say, I have two cats, you know what I mean, but in English, I have two cats is just a special to English. In that case, it's a slightly different instance. But I meant like I took taxi. We know what that means, but it's just not, doesn't sound like good English. I took a taxi to work. Alrighty, thanks very much. That summarizes this little exercise. Okay.